Okay, so we're here at the property. Again, this has not stopped blowing since we've been here. So I'm here with the HVAC guy, Mark, and he's gonna kind of explain what his solution for the issue at hand. I mean, obviously everything's in working order, but we just need to have, I think, more air return ducting to make it so that this at least isn't just at a constant run all day, constantly loud, never turning off, which is the situation right now. So,
okay. So let me give you a little bit of background. My name is Mark Cox. I've been at this for end of the year, I've been 47 years here along the Wasatch Front. Built and sold 3 companies. I taught college, been through all the engineering courses. So there's, not that I'm perfect, there's a lot of background, especially with noise issues like this. You know, we get these complaints. There has to be a way to go in and solve that. So the issue right now is we've got a furnace right off the dining room.
And this door's open, that's why it's louder right now, but we'll shut that.
It's a piece of equipment that's known to be a little bit louder to begin with. But then the return air comes right off the side of that in metal duct, goes up into another metal duct, comes over and comes into the 2 major outlets for return air. So we don't have any sound attenuation between the source of the noise and the actual outlets. So my solution to that, and this is, there's a major design flaw here, but to work within the parameters that we have, which should solve a large part of it, probably not 100%, but a large part of it, is we remove the ductwork, we reconfigure that in there, and this is just on the return air. We're going to put fiberglass duct in, and then come up and we're going to replace the duct going across with fiberglass, because that pulls a lot of that sound out of that airflow, and the fan itself is what we're hearing. Now the other idea is we're going to eliminate this, and we're going to bring fiberglass duct out to the front of this and then build this area out so that we can then build a configuration within this cavity that will give more distance basically between the return air and the ductwork. So that's what we have in mind.
And so we can either build it out just to the end of the wall and just keep it square. And so from here, it'll just be like a little bit extended to the wall, so it'll be boxed out, or he can build it so that it slants upwards with this. So it's up to you how you want to do that. Either way, he just needs some of this space to work with, and then he can put the vent on the exterior of that wall. Okay. And then do you want to show him inside the furnace room? So inside the furnace room, we'll show you what he's got in mind for additional ducting here to give it some more return air.
Right over here. We've got some space right here. This is our return air duct that goes up. That would be replaced. But the idea is fiberglass duct go up, and we would have 2 ducts side by side. So we create an S curve, again, to get away from the sound of that blower. This will all be return air duct. And then go up into this side, right up here, of the duct going across, the lateral, which will also be replaced with fiberglass. And we've done that before and had really good luck cutting a lot of the sound down, just creating space. This cannot be done in the supply side, but in the return air side, we can do this type of thing and still maintain good airflow.
Yeah, and that will help with the noise that's coming out of the vent here, obviously the return air vent. So, and it should help with the upstairs one as well. All right, I'll send this over to you and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, Mark.
Okay.